Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're testing this Rancilio espresso machine, and first we'll test the steam. So we get nice strong steam. Then we'll do a cooling flush. You're gonna need more water. Okay, so I added more water, turn the machine back on, resume our cooling flush. So right now the boiler's filling, and then it's good to go. Once the water's coming out, you know that the boiler is full, and a nice strong stream. So this shot has 18 grams in it. I'm thinking it's not going to work very well. I think we're going to go on to 16, but I like to try 18 once in a while just to see if it'll work. So let's see. A little bit slow on the slow side, and yeah, I would definitely say that the machine should have 18 grams or 16 grams, excuse me. So yeah, I'd call that, or we can call that a ristretto because it's using 18 grams of coffee, which is a double, and we only have 1 ounce of liquid, so that'd be a ristretto. But you still see we got nice crema. And I'll do one more shot with 16 grams. Alright, so now here's the second pull, and I only put 16 grams in this time. So let's go ahead and see how this one goes. Well, that's interesting. That one was a little too fast. So let's see. Maybe I made my grind a little bit coarser for a different machine. But here's my recommendation: is I would use 16 grams, and if it goes out a little bit too fast, like it did there, you still have nice crema. But if it goes out a little bit too fast, you really want it to take 25 to 30 seconds. So to slow it down a little bit, I would just make my grind a little finer. I think that's it. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to repair more or watch more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.